Shenzhen Heshunyuan Industrial Company Limited was established in 2008. Our factory located in Dongguan City, China. Our main special products include wooden record players and wooden radios, with the services offered in the way of direct booking and ODM/OEM orders to our customers all over the world. Heshunyuan is a manufacturing and trading company now. We integrate the production, sale, and service. With the principle of quality comes before everything else and reputation first to meet customers' demands, all of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of markets around the world. As a result of our high-quality products and outstanding customer services, we have gained a global sales network reaching the USA, Europe, Australia, Japan, and South America. We always participate in the Hong Kong Electronics Fair twice a year to show our customers our latest designs and the best quality with best price. Our factory occupies 14,000 square meters and is equipped with 5 production lines with about 300 plus workers. We can produce an average of 60,000 wooden turntable and radios per month. Heshunyuan believe that quality is life. We focus on retro designs, and our design team is comprised of highly qualified and talented professionals with rich experience. We assure our customers they can always get unique designs. We have cooperated with many renowned makes worldwidely. We implement quality control strictly on each and every step to ensure that only qualified products are delivered to our customers. Our products all have appearance patent certificates and have also passed FCC, CE, RoHS, and other special certificate required by customer. And we are ISO 2001 and ISO 9001 certified, and we have passed BSCI certification. Heshunyuan can provide you with the best price, highest quality, and most comfortable service. We look forward to your inquiry.